also we have some interest in chocolates, and we have Janvi from University, and she'll be taking you ahead with the session. So same like last time, enjoy the session and be interactive. Only then you have fun. Okay? Janvi.
Okay. So, hi everyone. Hi everyone. I am also one of a kind. Okay. So, I just heard you had a good break. I hope सबने मस्त खाया है. And I hope अभी सब मस्त सो जाएंगे. Will y'all? Will y'all? Yes? How rude. Okay, anyway, so before I ask for your attention, I want you all to bring here first. Because of course there's a hell lot of things that are going on in your mind right now. घर जाना है, कब ये खत्म होगा, ये करना है, वो करना है. So let's bring ourselves in this room first. For which I would ask you to sit comfortably. Friends को छोड़ दो 2 मिनट के लिए. Have your own space. Sit comfortably. Everyone here is comfortable. Settle down. Relax. नो प्रेशर कुछ नहीं करवाने वाली मैं ऐसा ओके नो प्रेशर क्लोज योर आईज एंड वी विल जस्ट ब्रीथ इन एंड ब्रीथ आउट कैन वी डू दिस थैंक यू सो मच सो आई होप एवरीबडी इज रिलैक्स्ड आई होप एवरीबडी हैव क्लोज्ड देयर आईज आई एम स्टिल होपिंग एवरीबडी हैव क्लोज्ड देयर आईज आई होप टॉकिंग इज बिन डन. And now we'll slowly breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Gently open your eyes. I'm still hoping that this have brought you at least in this room. So are you all with me here? Okay. तो ये तो माइंड से तो शायद आ गए हैं थोड़ा फिजिकली भी एक्टिव हो जाए. So we have a friend Soham who would try to wake us up after a good meal.
कोई और आ रहा है क्या मैम सबने और we'll start. Alright, hello everyone, my name is Soham and just like you all are studying architect, I am a student of psychology. I studied psychology and I am also part of the team. And just like Janvi said, let's do a quick physical exercise. I want everyone with me to do a tapping exercise quickly. Okay? So now everyone with me, let's do a tapping exercise. Let's tap your shoulders first. I want everyone to tap their hands.
Very nice.
थोड़ा मसाज दे दो अपने आप को दे दो will be active. Okay, now the chest area.
Wow.
Yeah, we can do that.
Lovely. We can do that. Appreciate it.
Okay, now I want everyone to clap as loud as possible. Alright, thank you so much. Now we'll begin the session.
Okay. So ready? Thank you. So, I want to begin with something that everyone in this room have experienced at least once in their lifetime. It's 2 a.m. in the night. It can be any time. And we've got this brilliant idea. कल से जिम जाऊंगा, कल से नया टाइम टेबल फॉलो करूंगी, कल से ये कोर्स शुरू करूंगी, कल से ये करूंगी, वो करूंगी. And 2 a.m. we are convinced कि कल से भाई ये होने ही वाला है. This is it. We go to sleep feeling like we are a complete different person. फिर होती है सुबह की शुरुआत. Tomorrow becomes Monday. Monday becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. Next month becomes someday. Have you all experienced it? Me too. So what went wrong? Did we not have an idea? We did, right? Were we not excited about it? We were. We did have the spark, but we forgot that spark is just a spark. It's not fire. Spark is a possibility to turn into a fire, right? When it has been fueled. So this is what happens. The question is, like our friend have spark of talking. He loves talking. He loves sharing jokes. So everyone here also have some or the other spark. But we fail. He fuels. वो हर सेशन में हर लेक्चर में वो फ्यूल करता है उसके स्पार्क को. वो सबको हंसाता है, बातें करता है. बट हम हमारे स्पार्क को फ्यूल करना भूल जाते हैं. Do you all agree with me? So the question isn't do we have a spark or not. We have hundreds of them. But do we do anything about it? So I want to ask y'all a question. What are y'all feeding? Now keep this question in your mind throughout the session and we'll come back to it. You can try finding answers throughout the session regarding the question. Now, when we are talking about spark, we know one little spark can turn into fire. So there are little things that turn into some things that we don't even know that it's turning us into this. For example, one thought, two thought, three thought can make you overthink about something. Do you all agree with me? Have you ever caught yourself procrastinating about something? We all do it, right? So similarly, one decision can also make you disciplined, right? So every small thing don't remain small throughout. Okay, are we set? Can we settle down thoda jaldi? Yeah. So we were talking about spark. That we all have the spark, but we sometimes fail to fuel it. Right? Now, tell me one thing, what keeps a fire alive? What makes a fire fire? Oxygen? Heat? Fuel? Now, what if I remove any one of these? Does the fire negotiate कि अच्छा ले लो, I'll try to burn anyway? You take away what it needs and it extinguishes, right? So similarly, this is your life. It's filled with a lot of things. You take away anything and you suddenly feel like, oh, it's not making me me. Being it, teachers also sometimes say, अरे ये habit छोड़ दो. मम्मी बोलती ये करना छोड़ दो, ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है. But you feel like that makes you you. जैसे कि jokes, talks make him him. वैसे ही everybody have something that makes us, right? Okay, we are waiting for you to settle down. So just like fire does not negotiate कि तुमको लेना है ले लो, I'll try to burn anyway. It would need something that will keep its survival consistent. Right? Are you settled down? Okay. So moving further, what else do we know about fire? What else do we know? What fire does? What does fire do, guys? Burns, kills. Do you think fire just burns? Well, I think it transforms. Think about it. Cooked food, raw food becomes cooked food. A metal turns into something useful. A clay turns into ceramic. A good pottery, a good article to be displayed. So, similarly, look at yourselves now. Are you the same person that you were 3 years ago? You've changed, right? A lot of things inside you have changed. So, where did that change come from? Maybe a friend, maybe a relationship, maybe a failure, maybe a success, maybe anything that have transformed you. So, the bottom line here is heat does not always come in your life to harm you or destroy you. Sometimes it comes in your life to transform you, to make you a better person or a different person altogether. Now, y'all are architect students, right? वो spark होगा तुम्हें, which is why you are here. You have fed that spark. Maybe you had the spark about designing, drawing, or you were just curious about creating space, which is why you are here in your second year degree. What other than that would bring you here, right? So you have fueled the spark. So what I meant to say is spark cannot necessarily be your profession. It can be your passion as well. But the point is, are you feeding the spark? So now I'll ask you a certain questions and you'd clap if you would want to give energy to it. अगर तुमको वो और करना है तो you'd clap. And if you think that doesn't deserve any of your energy, you'd give me silence. Are you with me in this? Okay. So I have a list of questions. So tell me, would you like to feed your dream? Comparison, judging, or if someone is judging you, would you like to give some attention? Okay. Passion, comparison, career, your sleep schedule, social media. Wow. Social media. Self-improvement. Comparing yourself with your friend. Wow. कर सकते हैं. No harm. Okay. Sorry. Your mental peace. अच्छा सबको प्यारा है क्या? Great. What do you do about it? Huh? Wow, that's nice. What else? What do you do for mental peace? Reading. Wow, that's great. Nice. So coming back, as I said, y'all are architect students. You know pretty well how spaces work. So it's not possible कि तुम्हारे दिमाग में जो भी ideas है to put into that room. Is it possible? No, right? Somewhere or the other you would know कि ये space में जा रहा है कि नहीं. Is it creating pressure or is it complementing the space? So at the end you would know what to remove from that space. It's not necessary कि दिमाग में जितने भी brilliant ideas आई है मैं ये room में उसको execute कर पाऊँ. Right? So similarly, your life is also under construction. Not necessarily everything that's happening in your life you have to give room or you have to give space to it. Sometimes something new, for something new, something old have to create a space. Being it old habits have to be left behind to accept the new habits, right? Do you all agree with me? Just like you were not the same person in school, you are a completely different person here. Because new environment, new friends, new expectations, new comparisons. पहले हम किस चीज़ के लिए बातें करते हैं, now अब हमारा पूरा direction ही change हो जाता है. And that is what is changing us or evolving us eventually. So, also, you being an architect student, you also know that nothing is built in a day. You not just wake up simply in the morning and you see a building as a final structure. It has designing, it has your efforts, it has planning, it has execution, it has coordinating with the workers, it has visiting the sites every day, solving problems, and consistently working on it, right? Similarly, we also have to be consistent enough to spark something that we are already aware about. Knowing something is different, and actually working on it is different. Do you all agree with me? So when I say that you have to leave something behind, I would like to ask y'all, what version of y'all would you like to leave behind in order to become a better version of yourself? It can be a version that procrastinates. It can be a version that keeps comparing yourself. It can be a version that gives up easily. It can be a version that is maybe not interested in anything. So, to become better, you need to leave something behind. You need to transform. Just like a spark transforms to fuel, and fuel transforms to fire eventually. Right? What else? What else does fire remind you of? Are we aware about the fire that's within us in a form of emotion? Which is that emotion that reminds you of fire? Sorry? Anger. Yeah, that can be too. Anger. सबका अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव है. It's appreciated. So anger is also a form of fire within us. Now, if I tell you all what are the uses of fire, it helps us to cook. Very basic. So it gives us warmth, right? So अगर मैं बोलूँ कि the fire on the stove that helps you cook the food, does the same fire that's burning down the forest helps you cook the food? The fire is same. You can go take your cooker there and stand, jaldi khana pak jayega. Why don't you all do that? The fire is same. What's the difference? What's the difference? Intensity. Thank you. So one is controlled and another is uncontrolled. Both are the same element. Both have same energy. Both have same capacity or capability to do the work, right? But here on the stove, fire is controlled, but there in forest, the fire is uncontrolled. When that element is controlled, the energy is useful. But the same energy, when it's uncontrolled, can cause destruction. So we humans are nothing different. Do you think our anger also doesn't cause destruction? Don't you think our anger also hurts someone, break down someone, disappoints someone, or maybe helps sleeping? That can also be possible. So coming back, the same fire that we have also has the capability to burn down things. But now when I say controlled, I'm not expecting you to control your emotion and suppress it. What I'm asking you to do is just give direction. For example, when you're angry, just step back and see मैं गुस्सा क्यों हूँ? क्या हुआ ऐसा? किसने मुझे क्या बोल दिया? How do I feel? And why am I reacting so much about it? Just asking basic question to yourself can help you know कि, okay, what's the core of this emotion? Why am I feeling it with so much intensity? Right? And this takes me to something that we all do when we are angry. We happen to cry also. There's one more thing. Sorry? Harsh words. So harsh words is what? Reaction. So we happen to react. Now let me come down to two difference. One is reaction and other is responding. So what do you think, what majority of you do when you are angry? Do you respond or do you react? You respond. You react. You respond. Are you sure? Are you all being honest to yourself? No? Okay. Thank you for that honesty actually. Now we do an activity where you get to be honest with yourself, not with me, not with your friends. Give me your right hand if you react in that situation, and give me your left hand if you would respond to that situation. This activity is not for me, this is for you. So I'd give you situations where you would react. where you would give me answers, okay? You always react? Okay. Do I have you? Are you all ready? Right stands for? Left stands for? Okay. Somebody leaves you on scene. No? You would do nothing about it? Wow, that's nice. Someone misunderstands you. Someone misunderstands you. You wouldn't do anything? You would not react also, not okay. Hi everyone. We'd repeat once again. There's a lot of confusion here. So right stands for reacting and left stands for responding. Now you will get situations where you have to answer what would you do in that situation. Would you react or would you respond? Okay? It's reflective. You're not doing it for me, not for your friends, but yourself. Okay. Once again, someone leaves you on scene. You would respond. Okay. Someone misunderstands you. Someone hurts your ego. Okay. You would react. You would respond. Wow, बहुत शांत लोग हो. Okay, someone gives you advice that you don't need. तेको पूछा क्या? This is your first reaction, right? Come on, guys, be interactive. What would you do? Okay, hi. Hello. Okay, this isn't working because your friends aren't responding. Anyways, we'll come down to reacting and responding. Now we figured out what's the difference. I won't tell you कि तुमको respond करना है, तुमको react करना है. You yourself, ये 3 activities maybe you got it कि okay, what? Guys, please. Thank you, whoever helped me shush the class. So, yeah. So now we know what reacting is and what responding is. What reaction can lead and what response can preserve. क्योंकि sometimes what happens वो बहुत छोटा 2-3 सेकेंड का होता है whatever happens, but उसका जो reaction होता है that stays much longer than what actually happened. Do you all agree with me? How many of you all have reacted in anger? And how many of you all have said कि अच्छा रुक तू तेरे को दिखाता हूँ मैं, I'll show you now. Do you notice there's difference between both this anger? One was destructive, the other was constructive. One anger, गुस्सा आता है, बोल देते हो, you hurt someone, you hurt their sentiments, you just be very reactive. But जो constructive anger है, you are angry, you are disappointed. But what you do? Okay, I gave my 100%, I failed. No problem. Next time I let it demand 110% from me. So वो जो गुस्सा, when it constructs you into something much better than you were, that is called constructive anger. So you will feel angry, you will feel frustrated, you will feel disappointed, you will feel hurt. But the point is, give direction to your emotion. If you are feeling angry, let it motivate you. If you are feeling disappointed, let it push you to do something much better than what disappointed you right now. Do you all agree with me? So you are free to feel every emotion, but be very mindful about what direction do you give to your emotion. Right? Now moving forward, what else does fire remind you of? Science? What science behind fire? Ice. Oh, but since I heard science, I want to share something. We know oxygen is important for fire. Without oxygen, fire cannot exist. but the same oxygen अगर उसका proportion ऊपर नीचे होगा, so that also hampers the behavior of fire. You all agree with me? So too much is also a problem, too little is also a problem, and our life is nothing different. Too much expectations are also a problem. It disappoints us, and expecting nothing from others also makes us feel nothing. It makes us not care, to not care about anything, right? Too much confidence can turn into arrogance, and too little confidence can also make you self doubt yourself. You all agree with me? So, what do we learn from these two extremes? More the merrier, jitna zyada utna acha hota hai. Do we learn that? So yeah, thank you so much. So extremes are not always the strength. Okay. Extremes are not always the strength. Sometimes balancing is the strength. So not having or not feeling something completely is not the solution to it. But finding a balance is the true solution to it. Now, what else? Okay, something that you might have seen everywhere. You have seen diyas, candles, havan, dhoop. Bring it any religion, bring it anything. Any spiritual path, you have seen this. Why do you think कि fire इतना destructive हो के भी spirituality उसको इतना importance क्यों देती है? In fact, in Hindu marriages, fire is considered to be witnessed in something as secret as marriage. Why? Fire has the capacity to destruct. हम ऐसी चीज को ही क्यों इतना importance दे रहे हैं? Have you ever thought about it? Why? Do we have answers to it? No. So we have just seen that fire can transform, fire can burn, fire can destroy. But fire can also destroy your negativity, can also destroy the weaknesses, the fear that you have. Sorry, what else? Acha. Please share if it's something useful. No worries. So fire can also destroys the negativity, which is why this has been used in spiritual journey to purify you, to purify something within you, to purify something around you. Now, have you all done aarti ever? Or have you all seen someone doing aarti? Why do we do that? We can simply lit the diya and keep it in front of the deity. Why do we have to move it around? Why do we have to do that? Huh? Arey bolo na, it can be. Tell me, what is it? क्यों कर? अरे बोलो, it can make sense. Come on, it's okay. बोलो. Two? अरे मुझे बताओ, उसको मत बताओ. I may try to understand you. बताओ. What? अरे tell. I can't hear you. Can you all hear him? So why are you laughing? What is it? I think तेरा आंसर करेक्ट है, इसलिए मैं तुझे पूछ रही हूँ. टू स्प्रेड एनर्जी, राइट? हो सकता है. अभी ये इसीलिए करते हैं बिकॉज इट प्योरिफाइज योर ऑरा. व्हाट इज ऑरा? तेरे भाई का ऑरा. व्हाट इज ऑरा? डू यू ऑल नो व्हाट इज ऑरा? We have heard about this 1,000 times on social media. We've also talked about it कि तेरे भाई का ऑरा कितना strong है. But do you all know what aura is? Does anybody present in this room know what aura is? Wow, give me a high five. That's a brilliant answer. So we all are aware about the energy. Fire is also an energy. There's an energy within us also which helps us digest food. अभी मैं इतना बातें कर रही हूँ तो obviously I have energy, इसीलिए, वरना तो मैं फिर सो जाती. Right? But now he is also energetic, okay? He's also energetic. He's also with me in this. So just because I have this energy within me, I'm able to stand here upright and talk about whatever I'm here for. So similarly, there's an energy field around us as well. हमने स्टार्टिंग में एक्सरसाइज की थी, ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट. वी फेल्ट द एयर, बट डिड वी सी इट? सिमिलरली द एनर्जी अराउंड अस, we can feel it, but we cannot see it. Do you want to feel it? So be pumped up for the next session. We have the whole session about aura. So coming back to fire, Aarti. So why do we do this? Because this helps us clarify our aura, burn the negativity. It's not for the god. Obviously, वो tradition में बोलते हैं to offer the fire first to the deity. But the scientific symbolic reason behind it is to purify the energy around you, which is your aura. So symbolically देखे, scientifically देखे या spiritually देखे, it has a beautiful meaning to light something that's within you. Y'all agree with me? So what have we talked about? We've talked about spark, we've talked about fire, we've talked about transforming, we've talked about anger, controlled, uncontrolled, reacting, responding. What else do you think we've talked about? What was this session about? तुमने मिस कर दिया इंट्रोडक्शन यार. What was the session about? Okay. Let me tell you, I didn't introduce the session at all. We talked about the session, it was about the element fire. But we are not here to learn about elements. We are here to learn about ourselves. That's reflecting from that element. जैसे कि हमने देखा कितनी सारी similarities है between us and this element fire. Y'all agree with me? So we were here to know ourselves much better with the help of this element. Now, coming back to the first question that I asked you, what are y'all feeding? Okay? So, there is something in your life that gives you energy. It can be your dream, can be your passion, can be your anything, can be a person also. And there's something that drains away your energy. Now it can be a person. So now I'll pass on a paper to y'all. I think y'all have paper. No, who doesn't have it? Thank you. तुमने मेरा मेहनत worth बनाया. So you will get papers. In fact, everybody, it will be distributed all around. I want you all to split the paper into half. Okay? So you can split the paper into half. On one fine piece, you'd write what fuels me, which means what gives me energy. Again, it can be a person, it can be a dream, it can be music also. Music सुन के भी कोई motivate हो जाता है. So it can be anything, any source of energy जो तुमको motivated रखता है, who keeps you going. Now before you start doing it, ये submit नहीं होने वाला, ये share भी नहीं होने वाला. So I would request you to be honest while you write it. Okay? And on the other piece of paper, you would write what drains you. Drains you. जैसे कि एक क्लासमेट होता है वो बहुत चपड़ 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 और दिमाग खराब होता है. You feel drained out. So that was just an example. But you would write one thing that fuels you and one thing that drains you. Everybody has the paper now? Okay, we'll split it into half. Whosoever has it already. Can we be a little bit quick? कैसे भी कर सकते हो. You're free. अरे इतना वो मत कर, चलेगा, सबमिट नहीं होने वाला कुछ. Okay, have we split it into half? Done? So on one piece of paper, we'd write what gives me energy. What fuels me? It can be 1, 2, 3, कितने भी हो सकते हैं. You want to do it? नहीं करना तो it's okay. No pressure. No, trust me, I'm not kidding. So have we started writing already? Sorry, I couldn't provide pen. I'm not, ma'am. Okay. Have we written what fuels us? Yeah, what gives you energy? Again, it can be a dream, it can be a person, it can be a success, it can be a particular event that took place in your life. Even food. No, that was not for him. इसने बोला था कि food gives me energy. Okay, so are we done writing with what gives you energy? Now, I hope you all have splitted the page already. Is it into two halves? Huh. So on the other, no, you have to tear it. Split it. Now on the other piece of paper, you would write what drains you. It can be a failure. It can be a particular event that keeps reminding you, okay, no, you are not enough. It can be anything that demotivates you or tries to put you down. It can be also distractions, guys. हमको पता है कितने distractions है life में. I don't want to go there, but done writing, both of it. Okay, you have last 10 seconds. Drains, yeah. What takes away your energy? Okay, are we done? Done? अच्छा ये कॉपी नहीं करोगे तो चलेगा इसके मार्क्स नहीं है जस्ट बी ट्रू टू योर सेल्फ अच्छा oh my goodness okay no worries can be so that drains your energy right so do you think college is the problem or the pressure is the problem so how can college be something that drains your energy the pressure is something that drains your energy right okay so not diving deep on what drains it I just hope that everyone have returned think about I would just by the time everybody finish whosoever have returned college think about something more also is that only aspect of your life that drains your energy there is no other emotion there are no other habits there are no other distractions that drain you that's surprising so I believe कि तुम्हारा कॉलेज खत्म होने के बाद लाइफ के सारे प्रॉब्लम्स खत्म हो जाने चाहिए राइट थिंक अबाउट इट Done? Now I want you all to hold a paper where you have written what drains you. I want you to split it into two halves. So read one last time what you have written, what drains you. You have read it? Have everyone read what drains them one last time? Now I want you to tear it into pieces. But while tearing, we are not pretending that this does not drain my energy anymore. We are not pretending that college have stopped existing. We are not pretending that our problems will end with this tearing activity. Sorry? No problem? Great. Figure it out. So yeah, while tearing this activity is just telling us, can I have your attention please? Thank you so much. So this activity is just reminding us कि अपने हाथ में है. The decision is in our hands. What deserves our energy? So from now onwards, whatever drains our energy, whatever demotivates us, whatever pushes us down, whatever creates pressure, we stop serving them from now onwards. Right? That is a decision that we can make, right? Okay, you did not understand? For example, whatever drains you, you were fueling it, right? Which is why you had a problem with it. Correct? So if you withdraw yourself from feeding it, so do you think that would be a less problem to you? For example, as I said, that we all have a classmate that keeps blabbering and drains us out. So what if you cut off from that classmate? Similarly, problems or things that are draining us out, what if we just create distance between them? What if we decide to not to serve them anymore or entertain them anymore? Now does it make sense? So this activity was just to remind you that yes, there are things that don't go according to you or that can drain you or that can demotivate you. But the हो गया? So yeah, there are things that can push you down, demotivate you, but feeding it and not letting it do that to yourself is is in your hands. That's your decision, right? Do you all agree? Now we have the other piece of paper with us that fuels us. Now I want you to keep that safe with yourself to remind you that this is something that I need to feed. This takes me back to the question that I had asked you. What are you all feeding? Because ultimately, spark को feed करेंगे तो flame बनेगा. Flame को feed करेंगे तो fire बनेगा. Similarly, whatever you feed, it becomes. So fire isn't good. Fire isn't bad either. Fire is simply what you feed it. So similarly, if you feed it anger, it can consume you. If you can feed it discipline, it can make you a better person. If you feed it your dreams, your passion, your goal, it can give you direction. So just like fire isn't good or bad, we are also not good or bad. What depends on what has our attention. Because attention is food. And whatever you give your attention to, you are feeding that particular thing and making it stronger. So am I making sense to y'all? What did this activity hold? Firstly, y'all are aware what is your problem and what are you feeding. So now we know that we have to withdraw ourselves and stop feeding it. Get it? Now, what else did we learn today? What else did we learn today?
I can hear what you are talking.
We learned spark, we learned fire, we learned transformation, about anger, controlled, uncontrolled. What else? Respond, react. What else? What feeds us, what consumes us. So now we are pretty much aware about the fire. We also learned a few fun facts about fire, about the oxygen, the purifying, and we also correlated it with the fire that's within us. Now, whatever we've learned or whatever we have pretended to learn, it's time to let it settle down. Because I can see most of y'all just pretended to learn, but I was happy to know that you were at least involved. So, a big round of applause for y'all. So now, we know that there's a fire inside as well. Now we also know that what do I have to feed it, right? So we just sit with ourselves, find the fire within us and give it a direction, right? Very creative. So now, I want you all to wind everything up. I want your desk to be clear. Sit up straight. Don't slouch, straight. Yeah, relax. So now, with whatever we've discussed, whatever we have consumed, let it settle down. Close your eyes and we'll start with. So you've already been practicing this previously also. We've been meditating, right? So similarly, for a few minutes, we'll let this fire within you ignite, have its own space, find out, figure out, whatever. But just be with yourselves. Okay? Okay, वो है. You would take away from this session? Like, what would you take away from this session? Anything. One word also. Arey वाह यार. Something that you learned and you would take away with you. What did you learn from fire? Okay. What would you take away from this session? You were very active throughout. I would love to know. Arey, don't demotivate him. I'm with you, yeah, please. No, but I'm motivating you. Again, why are you fueling them? They are your fuels. They give you energy. They do. Who's your fuel? Then respected fuel sir, please don't demotivate. अच्छा ये तेरा fuel ही तुझे demotivate कर रहा है. What kind of fuel is this? You need to replace your fuel. Okay, coming back to what do you take from this session? What did you learn? Wow, that's a brilliant. So basically you take something that you had written. What did you write? Arey Bhagwan. What did you learn from this session? Abhi bata. Come on, we need to go further also. What did you learn from this session? To laugh and giggle with your friends. So, what did you learn from this session? Let him speak. What are the fires? हिंदी में बोल चलेगा. Have you learned something? Firstly, come on, we're waiting for your answer. Are you not comfortable there? You can come here and answer as well. You all want that? Okay. I would. What's his name? Umar. I would like to skip Umar. Coming to the fuel of Umar. What did you learn from this session? What did you learn from this session? Fire. Its qualities. And what to learn from the quality. ये तो सब मैं ही बोल रही हूँ. तूने क्या सीखा? अच्छा, okay. What did you learn? Ah, very nice, very nice. That's a brilliant answer. What to do about that energy? Thank you. What did you learn? Can you be loud enough so that everybody also use the fire element in the birthday session after our session gets completed, okay? What did you learn? Right. We are giving the power to someone that to let us consume us. Okay. So ये activity ना we can do a lot of times in our life. कभी भी कुछ गुस्सा आ रहा है या you do not know what to do about something, you cannot control, you can just write it down and burn it up. Again, not pretending that the problem has stopped existing, but just realizing that we are not entertaining that problem anymore. What did you learn?
I always react in every situation.
Wow, nice. What did you learn? Thank you. What did you learn? Okay. What did you learn? Yeah, you. Correct. That's important. Very good. Thanks. What did you learn? Very nice. That's very important actually. Because we are in an age where we are powerful enough to understand something and make the best out of it, but also powerful enough to get distracted and not learn anything to its depth. So, jo bhi hai, it's in our hand. So, I think, does anybody else wants to say what did you take away from the session? Patience rakhna chahiye. What did you? What did you learn from the session?
Actually, by writing what I was supposed to write, what drains me and what fuels me, I realized that the things which drains me are indirectly depends upon what fuels me.
Very good. That's what did you learn?
Only look at the positive things.
Not necessarily. You can look at the negatives also, but to fuel what's creating positivity in your life. That's important. So nice. To learn a birthday, to sing a birthday song. So what did you learn? Very nice. Very nice. Well said. What else? Somebody else would like to share? You would like to share what you learned from this session?
Controlling the fire visuals so that it's not.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so now we'll get going with another activity, and after which we'll. हाँ मतलब अगर टाइम अगर आपको कुछ बोलना है तो आप ले लो प्रैक्टिस करवाना चार तक मना किया ना हाँ ठीक है तो और यू कैन टेक ओवर ना इफ यू वांट टू टेक
Meditation should be the last. इतना करीब.
हाँ हाँ so meditation is for 15 minutes right
You first are supposed to leave for the sports
yeah now it's just 15 minutes का meditation and the session is done
and starts at 3:45.
3:45
Council is supposed to leave.
who all are there you are not been asked to leave yet Acha, they have some sports thing at 3:45 and they have to leave.
So we'll do for 10 minutes meditation and then go because we have been doing it, right? You all like it, right? Do we?
Just a fraction of 15 minutes. चलो ना एक दिन तो दे ही सकते हो.
It's 34. आज last day है. Okay. What's the time now? 40.
Okay, is it okay? थोड़ा तुम compromise करो थोड़ा हम करते हैं. It was 15 minutes का meditation. We do it 10 minutes. 5 minutes we are ready to compromise. 5 minutes you all can compromise. Yes? Is it okay? Okay, chalo.
Shanti, you all know, right, what we do? We have been doing for 3 days. So
What you've been doing?
what we start with? Yes, we keep our hand on the top of the head. Why do we keep it?
Acha, this is your first session?
Okay. No, most of them I've seen last time also. Why do we keep it here? Because our tendency is wherever we touch, our attention goes there. Correct? So that's why we keep it here, rotate it for 3 times, and we follow the instruction in the video. Okay? Audio. Next. Close your eyes. Hands down right now.
सभी उम्मीदों को नमस्कार
Close your eyes. Relax.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः ध्यान की और करेंगे। ज्ञान शरीर भाव पूर्णतः समाप्त हो जाता है। अपने पूरे शरीर को पूर्णतः शिथिल छोड़ देंगे, एकदम रिलैक्स हो जाइए। ऐसा मंत्र का उच्चारण करेंगे। मैं एक पवित्र आत्मा हूँ।
पवित्र आत्मा हूँ।
मैं एक शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ। मैं एक पवित्र आत्मा हूँ। मैं एक शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ। मैं एक पवित्र आत्मा हूँ। मैं एक शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ। अब आप अपना चिंतन सहस्त्रांश पर रखें। थोड़ी देर ध्यान में जाएगी।
Rub our palms, place it on our eyes and all over the face. Felt good? Okay, whoever the sports people are can leave. Who all of them are there for sports? Thank you so much for being patient.
Thank you all of you for your patience and
can-
participation also.
We can have sort of conversation with these people and let the sports people leave.
Those who don't want to go for sports, can we have 5 more minutes? Those who want to go for sports, they can leave. We can ask like so involved and interested that it's making us to discuss, what to do next.
Post after effects.
After next. Yeah. So we were thinking like we did 3 elements till now, right? Which all 3 elements first? First day what we did? Earth. Then water and today fire. So all these sessions we tried to resonate ourselves to all these 3 elements. And we have found, our nature, how we relate. How is our nature? How is it going to help us through this session? So can we note down something which we learned about each element on a piece of paper and keep it with ourselves forever? Like, it will be a reminder for you that something like this we attended earlier. Even you can share that with your friends and they would be interested. You can share what you felt and how you can deal with all these elements in your life. So it's a good idea to note down so that you don't forget, because now it's fresh in your mind and you can, write and resonate yourself. So we'll give you one more. Do we have papers? No.
You know?
So you can share papers and write down now. We will give you 5 more minutes and then you can do. Is it okay? If you do remember something about Bodhisattva, Jal Tattva,
Anything.
anything.
It can be a word also.
Tired totally.
Yeah. All day slept already.
Whether we all felt very nice after the meditation. Have
Relaxed?
you realized that after every meditation session, we feel different? Our energy
Yeah.
level just shifts, right? So how important it is. We all appreciate and we all want this session every time, after every session. So it's helping us out.
Imagine if once in a week you can feel this peaceful by doing it just 10-15 minutes. You imagine if you do this every 5 minutes every day, 10 minutes every day. Don't you think it would be like a charger to your phone? Just like a charger your phone needs charging, don't you think it would be like charging you up? So we can take away this promise also from this session that okay, I can sit with myself 5-10 minutes every day. With eyes closed, without eyes closed. Just sitting with yourself is very important. Do you agree with me? We know our friends, we know everybody around, but do we know ourselves? So we can do this practice to know ourselves better and become better every day. Okay, tell me, becoming better, growth. What do you think growth means? To become something new? What? Very nice. So sometimes we mistaken. That is also an absolutely beautiful answer. So sometimes we mistaken that growth का मतलब कुछ नया करना, कुछ नया बनना. But sometimes growth simply means to leave something old behind. Only then you'd be a better person. Only then you'd able to adapt something new that's better for you, right? Now, how can we keep up with growing? Y'all are architect students, you know that Rome wasn't built in a day. So similarly, your life is also not built on that one big decision. Our choices, our habits are the material. Our discipline is the process. And what we keep doing consistently is something that takes us to a better future structure. There's this saying that being consistent with ordinary actions can result to something extraordinary. तो हमको कुछ extraordinary करना ही नहीं. We just have to be consistent. Being it fueling your energy or whatever your charging point is. It can be meditation also. For me, it's that. It charges me up. So for you also, it can be any particular activity, any particular thing. So we've found we have to find the spark first. We have to fuel it with consistency and wait until it becomes the big bright fire.
Just to add, well, Yami explained very well that you sit alone, sit with yourself. You can also sit with a paper and a pen. What your thoughts are coming. You have to observe the thoughts. You have to think. You have to observe like a film. So then, after 50 minutes, whatever thoughts are coming right down, like how you are writing, write down for a week. These thoughts are coming. Whatever thoughts of fear or anger or whatever, you write down. So So for 1 week when you write, maybe after 7th day or 8th day when you observe the thought, you see that the thought that come on the first day is still there, but it is gone. You notice that they are reducing slowly. We are creating space. Now, what can enter there? It's already blocked because of too many thoughts. Here, sit with a paper and pen, sit alone. You can also sit in the garden. Only be quiet when you have to only be bedroom, put a diary and pen pencil.
It's very great.
Just observe the thoughts. That's what transfer is.
Yes.
And it was a wonderful session. I was sitting there, I really enjoyed it. I was a part of it. Did you all enjoy it? Yes. So thank you for
So, anybody would like to share anything before we end it? I accept appreciation also, just in case. Anybody wants to share, say? Okay, can you tell me how was it? Honestly, bore हुआ, मजा आया, ठीक ठाक था, we survived. What out of 3? Option 1, option 2, option 3.
It was fun.
Was it? Okay. Nice. We'll now, since we have more Fridays coming, we'll try to make it Wednesdays. Sorry, we'll try to make it more fun. Okay, we'll try to have more fun every session. Are you all in? Thank you so much.